Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once it was a time when education was limited to the rooms and boundaries of the schools. Then time changed, scenario was changed, and it was changed so quickly. Now education, study, it is under your fingertips. Welcome to our channel, The Brain Tutor. We believe it is not just a channel, it is a complete virtual school where we teach best modern and advanced educational skills and technique. Especially speaking and communication skill we focus, which can turn the table and help you to cope with future challenges. We upload the videos like dialogue, discussion, lectures, and much more. So please subscribe, share, and like our channel. Thank you to all.